So let's talk a little bit about whip kick. Whip kick is the kick that goes out to the side. Sometimes people call it frog kick, even though it doesn't quite resemble what a frog does, but it goes out to the side and squeezes the water. It's one that a lot of people do kind of naturally, or they have one leg that goes to the side and one leg that kind of goes up and down. If you're wanting to work on this, oftentimes we start with the words of down, out, and around, and we're thinking about all these different mechanical parts. I like to start people and have you just get connected to how can I open and close my legs going to the side and squeezing the water. So either squeezing my legs together powerfully and letting them drift apart, or pulling them open powerfully and letting them drift together. So this is the first step, just to get an idea of how we're using that kind of motion to learn how to do the first steps of the whip kick.
If you need this extra help to teach this or to learn it, I want to talk to you. Let me know that you are ready to take it the next step. Aloha!